Breaking news. A dangerous new malware is wreaking havoc on businesses' IT systems. Impress Computers, Houston's leading managed service provider, has issued a critical warning about FakeBat, a new malware loader spreading through malicious advertising campaigns. This threat poses significant risks to businesses, especially those relying on popular software like Brave, KeePass, Notion, Steam, and Zoom. FakeBat infiltrates systems via Trojanized MSIX installers, launching a PowerShell script that downloads further malicious software. This malware, also known as EugenLoader and PaykLoader, is part of a larger Malware-as-a-Service operation by the cybercriminal group UNC4536. Drive-by downloads lure users to fake websites, distributing dangerous payloads like Iced ID, Redline Stealer, and even Fin7's Carbonac. Impress Computers emphasizes the urgent need for proactive cybersecurity measures to combat these evolving threats. Stay vigilant and protect your business with managed security services. Don't let FakeBat take a bite out of your company's security.